guys, welcome to Barcelona. I'm right now at the airport. I just landed like a couple minutes ago, and yeah, I'm just going to the exit. I will go to the city, drive to the city. I'll meet some friends, some friends from my wife as well, and yeah, let's go. I don't know. I will probably go by subway or a bus. There should be a train station somewhere, and yeah, just let's go. Hey guys, welcome. So I made it to the flat, met my friends, and now I'm here with Taffy. Wait, show yourself, Taffy.
Hello.
And yeah, we actually on the way into the city, getting some coffee.
First.
Yeah, getting coffee first, and yeah, just where do we want to go actually?
We're gonna go to the Mercato, I think, market,
Yeah.
which is close to like the Gothic like area.
Okay.
So we gotta eat something good first and start walking the fats out. You know.
Yeah, we will just see what crazy shit is ahead of us. Let's see. Yeah.
That coffee first. Oh wait.
This is the coffee place
Yeah.
here, Pasticeria.
And actually, people follow the traffic lights. You know, in some cities they don't care, but you have to see like in Barcelona they actually
Yeah, I do it most of the time.
Yeah.
Depending.
And the
actually
cars
it's green,
actually stop properly too.
Yeah.
Besides that time,
Don't do
this
that.
young guy that nearly killed me on the road. But
Yeah. Sometimes you have this. You have
Yes.
those near-death experience.
cortado, por favor.
¿Para llevar?
Sí, gracias. So I don't really know how to. I don't really know how to say take away. So I do
For
take away.
days.
Right, it's so fucking hot.
Yeah.
This
I should have.
year, you're my shoe.
Sure.
Came at the right time after the crowd.
Alright guys, so short update. We're now in the city center. We went to like a nice market, ate some food, and yeah, now we're in the Gothic district. You know, just running around in the streets and see what's going on. Actually, it's a very nice, you know, very nice part of the town. You know, everything's super old, and yeah, just check it out for yourself. You know.
I got me trying to fix my hair.
there's the Sagrada. Yeah, beach is there, yeah.
Look from here. Go ahead.
Yeah, it should be there. Should be around the corner. All right, guys. So we finally, hey guys. So we finally, did all the shit we wanted to do today, and man, Barcelona is so beautiful. I feel like you can't just walk 1 minute without taking photo or video of the scenery. Man, you should come here and check it out for yourself. We took all the landmarks so far today, and now we kind of get a little bit exhausted. So we get to the last part, which is like, what's the name of the plaza? I'm sorry,
Plaza
I forgot.
Array.
Yeah, something like
Right.
that. Don't judge me for that. But yeah, we will just go there, have a coffee or something.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the show and enjoy the scenery.
But it's like what Ben was saying, like everywhere you walk on the street,
Yeah.
like you just want to stop and take a photo. Like you just can't walk without taking a photo.
Yeah.
Honestly.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
So,
And it's nice and sunny. I would definitely say that a trip here, during the winter is really ideal.
Yeah.
Especially maybe you're working throughout the whole summer kind of thing.
Yeah.
And you want to go somewhere where you can still enjoy the touristic thing and do an Instagram video or whatsoever.
Yeah.
Barcelona is really the place because there's sun, like you can see.
Yeah.
I'm not dressed with like a scarf or anything.
Yeah,
like you
I'm
would do
actually in t-shirt, yeah.
Yeah, or in Germany, or if you went to Switzerland or whatever.
Yeah.
Like you can enjoy the
Thank
sun.
you.
Germany.
And you can really enjoy it. I think it's awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like a springish, summerish clothes that you can
Yeah,
wear.
and
Food
just
is
look how
good.
beautiful the street is. Look,
Yeah.
look at this. Wow, it's so fucking beautiful. I don't know if I should swear. I don't know if I won't get monetized. Then I don't get any money right now anyway. So you never know. I will cut that out.
For you.
Wait, like and subscribe.